Did you know why there is still no cure for HIV/AIDS? In this video, I want to share with you information about why it has still been difficult for doctors to find a cure for HIV. I am Dr. Vale, always bringing for you this information. Number one is that the drugs that we are using for HIV are drugs that we use for controlling it from multiplying unnecessarily and becoming too many in the body. So we lower its numbers to be insignificant, to cause any complications or to greatly affect the body immunity. But we are struggling still to find out drugs that can totally cure it from the system. Like you can take Coartem, and when we test you tomorrow or after 3 days, we cannot get malaria. We are struggling with that for HIV because number one is that HIV is what we call a DNA virus, meaning that it has its own genetic material in DNA form. Once it enters into the body system, it integrates, it joins this DNA into the human DNA, meaning that once it has entered into the human cell, it joins its own DNA to the human cell, meaning that for you to destroy it completely, you need to destroy that human cell, and that human cell also dies. So that is quite difficult, because in order for you to destroy all the human cells in the body, it means you are actually killing the person. So you have to use drugs that cannot destroy all the human cells, making it quite difficult to deal away with HIV virus in the body system. Number two is that HIV has also been seen to be a rapidly mutating virus. Mutating means that it rapidly changes. Today it is in this shape, tomorrow you find it in the other shape. You start on this medicine, within 1 year, you totally have a different virus you are dealing with altogether. So it is ever changing, it is ever evolving, so which is at a higher rate than even the rate at which we are making medicines to handle it. So for that reason, it keeps on dodging the drugs. It keeps on changing its tactics on how to handle the drug. This has made it quite difficult, and that is why research, medical research, is very, very important, and researchers are really trying to cope with its speed, but it mutates quite rapidly. That makes it difficult to be eradicated altogether. Number three, HIV has also found a way of inhabiting human cells that are resting. They are not actively in use. There is something that we call memory cells in the body. HIV goes and inhabits them to the extent that even if the drugs destroy all the HIV virus in the other active body cells, it cannot clean it up all in the system, because it will be hiding inside these cells which are sleeping, that the body immunity cannot even reach there. So that is the other problem. It goes into resting memory cells, which the drug or the body immunity cannot reach, and makes it difficult for it to be cleared out of the system. Number four, there is something that we call the reservoir. In the reservoir, HIV goes into parts of the body which are hidden. For example, it goes and hides inside the brain, in the parts where the drug may hardly reach, and the body immune cells will hardly reach there, and it stays there for as many years, sometimes for over 10 years without coming out. So you may eradicate it everywhere. You even do the HIV viral load and it tells you it is undetectable, but when it is still hiding inside the memory cells, when it is still hiding inside the reservoirs where the drug or the body's immune system cannot reach. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of these videos, and that is the reason why today we are bringing to you this purpose why HIV is hard to cure. Please, if you're already an HIV patient, continue taking your ARVs. Even when you do HIV viral load and they tell you it is undetectable, it does not mean that HIV, you have been cured from HIV. Thank you.